Okay, it's already recording. Okay, so first of all, we will need to create the backup from the original source, which is this one. So layer 1, this is my my working layer. I'm going to extract from here. Okay, now for layers, anything above will override the bottom layer, which is why sometimes you will see how come I just now extracted one ice, but I can't see it because it has been covered up by another layer on top. Okay, now so first of all, let's look at this. Okay, which one do you want me to extract first? Maybe the face first. Okay, so I will use which one? I'll use this one because it's very close to our shapes, right? Do you see that? Okay, I'm trying to use the fastest way to do. Okay, of course you can try other methods. Now I've selected this. What should I press? What should I press? Control J or Command J. Okay, now to focus onto what I've created, I will turn off eyes and look at this view. So I will zoom in here. Okay, I need to minus off something, right? The white background, do you see that? So what can I use? Fill. Okay. Okay, I'm talking to myself. Remember this one, magic wand? Because I can select the solid color. Now I can press what? Backspace or delete. So you have perfect face already. Agree? Okay. Now, to avoid confusion, it's good we name the layer by double clicking here. Must look at where I'm clicking. Double click on the layer 2. Now give it a name. Okay. I just use very layman term. Okay. I don't know what those supposed to call. Okay. Face. So I'm done with this. Let's go back to my working layer again. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, no news means good news. Okay. Now, next one, which one should I extract? This one is at the back, right? And the ears is also at the back. Do you notice that? So, shall we go about, maybe we can extract the head first, okay? Now, if you have a lot of layers, what you can do is, in order for you to select quickly, you can just do a right click here. Then they will ask you, which layer do you want to select? Okay, I repeat. Now we only have 2 layers, so you don't really see the use. But later, when you have more layers, you will understand why we are using it. Okay. Now, I want to select my working layer, which is layer 1. Okay, maybe I rename this. This is my working layer. Okay. Okay. So I want to extract this one, the mushroom. Okay. Again, what can I use? Magic wand. Before that, you must do what? Okay, in this case, I'll use marquee, rectangular marquee. Okay. But please always check, is there any feather? Because we want to have solid edge, right? We don't want to have soft edge. Okay, so I'm going to press Ctrl J, Command J. Okay, switch off. Double click again. This one is the mushroom. Rename. Okay. Okay, you were saying magic wand, right? Let's try whether it works or not. I'm not sure. Okay. You trick me, girl. Anyone got better tools? Okay, well, let's try magnetic. Oh, how? Press backspace. Okay. Okay, how can I perfect it? Which tool can I use now? Lasso tool. Okay, your polygonal lasso tool. So add in is press shift from inside. Okay, go and draw. Okay, double click, close it. This one I need to remove, right? Hold down alternate, okay, or your options. Double click. Okay, need to add a bit more here. Okay, I'm perfectionist, so sorry lah. Need to do a bit hard work. Okay. So are we good now? Yes, Okay. Now, I want to retain the mushroom, right? I need to clear the rest of them. Am I correct? But can you tell me what am I selecting now? The mushroom, right? So I need to clear outside. What should I do? Do a right click, select inverse. And just press backspace so you'll retain only your mushroom. You see that I've combined a lot of techniques already? You see that? Okay. Command D, okay, and then V to move it. You see that? Now it's behind your face. Okay. Next one will be your ear, but a bit tricky here because we cannot straight away use this. Okay. The answer actually shows us without this part. Agree? Okay, so in this case, I select back my working layer and okay, I'm going to use polygonal. Okay, over here. Now, at this line here, okay, can you see it's actually straight line? You can actually hold down shift so it will give you a straight line. Okay. Again, I will need to copy this, right? Command J. Okay. Your Z is the magnifier. You can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, to zoom out is hold down alternate. Okay, I repeat. Okay, press J to activate your magnifier. Hold down alternate, it will zoom out. Okay, zoom in simply just click. Okay, press spacebar to pan around. Okay, now press V so you can move this. Okay, move your ear. Okay, I'm going to double click it. Okay, here. Okay, this is left. Okay. Now I need to rotate this one, right? So what must I press? What was the keyboard shortcuts? You can either press Ctrl T or Command T, and after that you can put your cursor here until you see the curved arrow. Click and slowly rotate it. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to be very perfect, right? Okay. I press Escape first. Ctrl T or Command T. Do a right click. Do you see rotate clockwise or counterclockwise? You see that? Okay. Now, please remember, once you activated your Ctrl T, which is free transform, make sure you always press enter after that. Otherwise, you cannot proceed to do other things. Okay. Now, so far so good. Okay. Let's compare. Okay, not bad. I'm still quite aligned with this. Okay. You can use your arrow left, right to shift them one by one. Okay. Okay. Are we supposed to extract this again one more time? Don't need, because you already have extracted one. Okay. Let's say I close this. Can you see I've extracted this? I can simply hold down alternate, click and drag to duplicate it. I repeat, once you have created your left ear, you can hold down alternate or your option, click and drag to the right side, and let go of your mouse, click, let go of your alternate or options. This is how you duplicate layer. It's the same like when you press Ctrl J. Okay? So far, okay, or you are just watching show only. Okay? Again, I want to rotate this, right? Ctrl T, right click, okay? Counterclockwise. Okay? One more time. Okay, I can flip also. Okay? Now, you can even align them. Okay, I need to rename this first before I'm confused. Okay, right. Now, these two there should be aligned properly, right? Because can you see that right now one is above, one is slightly lower. You see that? Okay. So if you want, you can highlight your right ear, hold down Command or Control to select another layer. Okay. Once you have selected more than one layer, your option bar here, they activated this for you to align. You see that? Can click this so it will be bring out. Okay, so this is how you align. Don't manually go and align. Okay. Okay. So now let's start from the top to bottom. Because the back end we are done already. Agree? Okay. Now the eyebrow now. Okay, again, which one do you suggest? What would be the fastest way to take out this one? Jonathan, boy, what would be the best method to extract this? Magic 2, You mean this one? Magic 1, right? So straight away select, Before that, you must extract first one. Am I correct? Okay. Command J. So this is your left eyebrow. Okay. Now I can use what? Magic 1 and click here once. Okay. And delete the background. Okay. Okay. Now you can put it here, but then you say, teacher, why at the back one? I want it appear above my face like how? So just click and reposition your layer to the top. Now it will appear on top of your face. You see that? Okay. Now, since these two, okay, maybe the eyes and the eyebrow, right? They are actually symmetric. Do you notice that? So I can actually complete one side and then just duplicate another side. Agree or not? Okay. Okay. So now I will carry on with the carrot and the eyeball. Okay. Which is this one. Okay. So since this is in a I can straight away use this. Okay. Can you see that? I hold down Shift so you perfect shapes. Okay. Control J now. And move to here. Again, we rename it. What do you call it? This one is I. Never mind. Okay. This is your left. Click and drag on top to the layer. Okay. And next one, the eyeball. Hold down Shift. Control J. This is the eyeball. Okay. This one is left. Okay. Move it here. Okay. Now, the shortcut key to bring to front is actually Control Shift your right square bracket. Okay, you look at your keyboard, the square bracket that is besides your slash. This is considered right. Okay, now you have shifted this to the top part. Okay. Now, bear in mind that when you use the move tool, right, there's one option called auto select here. Do you see that? Okay. For me, I don't really like to use it because it's a bit too busybody for me. Okay, because sometimes when I click anything, doesn't mean I want to select it. Okay, but when you turn on this, okay, when you click this one, you will jump to that layer. You see that it will be moved. Okay, it can be good and not so good because if you have many layers, you want to manage yourself which layer you want to select. Okay, now since we have these three layers completed, right? Can we just duplicate it? Okay, now I want to link them together or group them together. Okay, now so let's say this is okay. These are the three things, right? I just double check. Okay, so these are the three layers. Now select these three layers. You can do a right click. You see a group from layers. Otherwise, you can click here and you can use new group. Okay, or you can press Ctrl G to group them. Ctrl G to group. Okay, so this is my left eye. Yeah, correct. Okay. Now the good thing about grouping is, since these three they are belong to the same category, so it's necessary for you to group them because later you want to shift them, you can just click on the folder and move them. Do you see that? I don't have to select one by one again. Okay, so grouping layers is actually also very important. Okay, now can I press Ctrl J now? Can I? Because I'm trying to duplicate it. Okay, I'll change this to right eye. Then I will hold down Shift and shift to the right. Is this correct? What am I supposed to do? I'll need to rotate it, right? Okay, so I can press Ctrl T, right click, flip horizontal. Press enter. Okay. So last three items. One is your nose, okay, which is a carrot. Is this a carrot? Also don't know what. Okay. Highlight this again. Actually don't need. I can actually use the let's use lasso tool because I'm used to this one. Okay, Control J. This is the nose. Okay. Okay, again, I will Control Shift right square bracket. So you go to the top layer. Okay. I'll shift it here. Okay, center. Next one. The mouth. Control J. Last but not least, this one a bit difficult, right? This one. Okay. Let's try if we can simplify it. Control J, Control Shift, right click. Okay, this is your tie. Whatever lah. Okay. Now put it here. Then you say play cheat. Not right. So can you suggest me what tool should I use? I try Magic Wand. Okay. So far okay lah, huh? Okay. Delete it. Now I go and enhance a bit. Use my lasso tool. Delete. Okay. This one a bit hard work. Of course, your magnetic lasso tool also can work. Okay. So now I will shift everything above a bit. So before and after.